We are pleased to show you the 2015 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, electronic messaging assistance, cruise control, electroluminescent instrumentation, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, power steering, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.